Ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
No balut. All right, guys, welcome to 2020. This is our first trip of the year. It is about 6:30 a.m. We're looking at a big high tide today. Well, I shouldn't say big high tide, but apparently there's a advisory out there. So we're hoping that the waves stay nice and calm for us. Not too crazy. Oh, fish on! Fish on! Fish on, baby! No balut! No balut! Come on, come in! Get in here! Get in here! I gotta go measure this thing up. Let's go measure this thing up. That's definitely a 12. Oh shoot, maybe not. It might not be a 12. Let's go see. If it's a 12, I'm good. Open. Open, open, open. See, buddy. Right there. Oh no, he's not 12. He's a decent size, but not 12. What is going on, YouTube? Good morning, Happy New Year, all that other good stuff. Today we're out here at Oceano Dunes, and we're having a little challenge, as you may have heard, the 2020 Hook to Cook challenge. The last person to catch their first 12-inch barred surf perch has to eat a balut. If you don't know what a balut is, check that out. Pretty gross, huh? Wow, gross looking anyways. But yeah, we're out here. So we got Martin, Dylan, Bruce, Edward, Joe. A bunch of other guys are showing up to do their own challenges as well. So stay tuned. I'll see you out there. Yeah.
It's a good size.
So he's 11 3/4.
Yeah?
Not enough to get me out of the running for that balut. But hopefully soon.
We'll put him in that cooler so that we don't taint the beer.
Yeah. I thought you liked this kind of beer.
Ooh. Ooh. It's mating season.
Oh, hey!
All right, guys, we will catch you at the next spot. But it looks like we have another competitor.
Joe just pulled one out here in this spot. It was seemed to be about 11.5. So nothing's meeting the criteria as of yet, but maybe on the next cast. On this new Daiwa BG, I spooled it up with 30-pound J-braid. It's my first time using J-braid. Super smooth. It's the casting ability of it's really nice. Getting great distance on it with no wind knots, no nothing. So far so good with the 30-pound J-braid. What? Oh yeah, it's getting out further. Easily, yeah, it's going further. I like it. It's nice. Really nice. Martin was asking me about the new rod. He has the same one, and he was asking if I'm getting better distance, which I am. I'm getting probably 10 to 15 yards further out. So, you know, pretty good little investment to get an extra 15 yards. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Come on. Ah, he's short. Dang it. He's short. Ah. Well, shoot. Let's measure him just to be safe. Dang it. What do you think? You think he's 12? I don't think so. Nah, he's probably what?
Oh, he's short.
Maybe 11? Yeah.
Yeah.
Dang it.
You think?
Just to make sure. Whew. Maybe 11 and a half? Maybe?
That's not a small.
10? I'm gonna measure him. I'm gonna measure him.
The lure is 4 inches. Is it double the size
8,
of the lure?
9? Nah. Okay, we'll let him go. Whoa.
Alright.
We'll let him go. But not a 12 incher.
But it's not good. I saw that.
This rod is dope.
Huh?
This rod is freaking awesome.
The 10-footer?
Yeah.
Wow.
It just feels like it's the same one Martin has.
Oh, I was telling Martin, I was like, dude, that runs.
Yeah. It just feels like a big fish every time.
And on the straight out.
And yeah. Looks like Edward's got one. He's got a goodie. Oh, he found a couple of them. You got a Mondo in there or what? Oh yeah.
Cleaned it. That's got to be
Jeez.
14, 15. Yeah.
Dang.
Let's get no official measurement. Wow.
Let's do it. Wow.
Here we go. Official measurement of this bad boy. Oh yeah.
Easy.
14 and a half.
Yeah, 14 and a half.
Nice.
Dang, dude.
No balut forever.
Awesome.
Oh, it's close.
Nah.
Oh!
Nah. All the way, isn't it? Yep, all the way.
How's it looking? 11 and 3/4?
Yep.
Wow. Oh,
Wow.
Bruce. Hey, no skunk though. No skunk.
No skunk though.
No, he's still got to push it over.
Still gotta push it over a little bit.
Yeah.
Right there.
Right there.
Close, but no cigar.
Let's go over there.
Right. Bruce. Brewski.
He beat us by like 3/4 of an inch. We're at 11.
And you're throwing.
So far,
Oh, you went back.
So far, the only
You went back to the glow.
Martin.
Yeah. The two. Right?
All right, let's go. One more
there's four of
spot.
us.
Do it at the house.
If it was over
More than 5.
more than 5, I heard that.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Angel's up there too. Though. If he didn't
Yeah.
take off, he might.
There we go.
There we go.
All right, let's get on the road.
We're gonna do it.
Let's do it.
Oh man.
That's what makes it exciting, bro.
I was hoping, I was like, come on, stretch out a little bit.
Freaking awesome. We're fishing till noon today. Anybody who doesn't meet the challenge by noon has to eat that balut. All right, guys, final spot. We got 1 hour to fish this spot before the time is up. This is our Hail Mary spot. So right now, Bruce, Dylan, Joe, and myself have yet to get a legal 12-inch fish. So this is what it comes down to. First cast in the new spot, final spot. All right, guys, so turns out I'm gonna be eating balut today. Pulled out 2 fish, none of them were gonna be the 12-inch minimum requirement. So right now we're warming up the balut.
Hey guys.
So we're warming it up right now, and we're about to enjoy these suckers. Look how big they are.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
You gotta finish it, Mario.
They're gonna be a grade A.
He has to finish it. That's it.
Are these organic?
Actually, no. No, these were raised to grow really fast. Just kidding. Dropping them in. I'm gonna wait like 5 minutes.
There's no oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
No oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's not oh yeah status.
That is oh yeah.
Like a delicious burrito would be oh yeah.
So, it's safe. I'm safe. Man, Mario.
For some reason, I felt like I was going to lose again.
Those are some freaking huge. Those are huge eggs.
Yeah,
The biggest-
raised them over there at Waller Park.
I know, right?
No, he snatched them from
Picked them.
He took them from Waller Park. So
took his
now,
Poor duck.
The ducks were laying.
Really?
He would go pick them like at the right time.
All right, guys. So they're warming up right now. Give us about 5 minutes and we'll be enjoying or not enjoying these balloons.
Okay. Part on the bottom is kind of hard.
Yeah.
Ready?
Are you?
Keep it down. Down, Dylan. You know, people don't usually eat that hard part.
I don't need the hard part.
Too late.
I don't need the hard part.
So first reaction, seasoning, good touch. Texture, probably the weirdest part. The taste is kind of like a boiled egg.
Okay.
What about the beak?
A little crunchy. And kind of like sharp.
So is it nice and warm?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, pretty good.
Not hot, but warm. And chewy.
He's not like a champ, bro. That was good.
Now you can say you ate it. Like you had something.
You know, loser isn't bad.
So you actually like it?
Well, not that I like.
I don't know if I would choose to eat another one, but if I had to, it'd be fine. Yeah.
Look at Mario's
Words
face.
of encouragement.
Look at Mario's face.
Mario.
It's still stuck in my teeth.
I don't have any chaser. Anyone got some water? I can chase it.
Some Gatorade.
Congratulations, Dylan.
Good last one.
You missed it.
Who's next?
Next.
I'll go next.
Angel Power went to the store.
I'll go last. Yeah, I'll go next.
I'll go last.
You want to go before me?
Oh, look, my wife is on right now. She says, Bruce, get on with it. You lost.
Get on with it, Bruce. All right, so
There it is. That is a balut. Right there.
Like a
I want to get like the bird in this shot right here. Okay, so that's the big end. So you want to do the big end right there. That's the big end right there. Okay. Nice and gingerly. Yeah, make sure you keep all the juice. You break that membrane right there. See how there's a membrane?
You do it over, and now you got to drink.
Yep. Break the membrane. Look at that. There it is. Show us the bird though. Let's see the bird. Look at all that juice. See all that juice? All in there. Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh, are you right now? Oh,
This is the homies balut right here. Gotta hook them up.
hot sauce.
Yeah, I'll put hot sauce on mine too.
He's like, put hot sauce.
Okay. Doesn't smell as bad as I thought.
You might like it.
I like it. Habanero.
Oh shit.
Oh,
A lot of habanero.
Dang
Can
it.
you grab that?
Maybe you should have tried it like normal first. Pick you up.
Okay. That's not bad. That's not bad at all.
that's the easy part.
What is there?
Let's show them the bird though. Let's really take a look at the bird. Let's inspect. Let's inspect this thing.
Oh, wait, is there?
It looks like an eyeball right there. Oh, dude.
Oh, there it is. There's feathers.
Lucky! Look at you!
Lucky.
It's actually clean you on the way out.
Like a little broom, you know?
Hopefully I chewed the beak good. Boom.
Yeah, let's show this thing.
Juicy.
Ooh, look at that.
Show us the bird.
So that's literally feathers right there. See that?
Yeah.
Oh, man. So I don't eat the bottom?
No, don't eat the bottom.
Yeah, don't eat the bottom.
You do that look.
Hey, you gotta eat the bottom because Dylan did.
You're the first one, that's why.
There's so many things going on.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, look at that.
Going in. Oh, that looks disgusting. That just really looks bad.
Close your eyes.
Some more hot sauce?
Nah, that's kind of
He made this look right now. The initial reaction is
Really
great.
taking the textures. It's a symphony in your mouth. Would you do it again?
You're eating their cousin over there.
Is that at least a little bit enjoyable?
I think I just heard a. Oh god.
You haven't finished yet, bro?
He's enjoying it. He's enjoying
All the
it.
flavors.
trying to get it down.
Give him a beer.
You need something to wash it down? I think there's a Powerade in the back. I don't-
Or water? Come on, it's almost gone.
I think in the back seat. I think it might be in the back seat.
Is it wrong that like this is so enjoyable?
Happy New
Are you
Year,
guys live?
Mario.
I am.
Alright. The taste, not that bad. It's the texture. The texture is the hardest part to swallow.
Literally.
Literally.
You need some Powerade, bro?
Yeah. I need to wash that down.
Yeah.
So, I'm glad I didn't eat that hard part because that's probably the hardest part to get down.
Yeah.
Literally.
Literally.
Congratulations, Mario.
Thank you.
Valiant effort.
Right there.
I mean, I did catch the first fish. And it was just a hair too small. So.
Speaking of hair, how did that? How was your feather?
Alright, next.
Next.
Here we go, I'm next. I'll do it.
Alright, Bruce, money.
Yes.
Oh, this one, the membrane is.
Oh, it's still there.
No, it's still in
Angel, stop asking questions. We have enough for you too.
No, I wasn't in part of your group thing, man. I mean, I was.
Ed is so nice to give me a regular chicken egg. Oh, alright. Here we go. Oh, man, it's been a while.
Familiar?
I probably should have had it without the Suzy King version. Okay, now it's working.
So everybody on the Hook to Cook family, do your own challenge. Just don't lose. Because, yeah. Actually,
Oh, it's so juicy.
there's a little bit. Yeah. So my wife says, Bruce, I can't believe you lost. I kissed you with that mouth. And I said, oh, you should have caught a 12-inch fish. And I would have been okay. All right. There he is. All right. Hot sauce on it.
Putting some hot sauce on it, huh?
Yeah.
Make it even more delicious.
Yeah. Hot sauce.
Are you still in frame? Christmas said it's delicious.
Oh, that's a beef.
Got a little poke on it. Oh.
Oh, I feel bad for that guy.
It could have been a dope duck.
I'm off.
Not that bad.
Not that bad. But yeah, if you haven't had it, yeah, try it. Try your guys' little challenge. Do it like we did. With confidence. All right, who's next? Who's next? Who's next?
Get the close up on this. We got 3 left. All right, which one's the biggest one? That one. That one's the biggest one. This one? All right. And then just so you know, you gotta break the big end first, or like that's the speed that you do. Right there. And here we go. And it's got this little membrane that you gotta break so that you can access the juices. So there's juices in there. And the first thing Joe needs to do is slurp up those juices. Would you, no hot sauce for you? No? Alright. A little bit of salt.
Okay, so what is that?
Oh, you want the hot sauce now?
Yeah, we'll put the little hot sauce. Okay.
The hot sauce actually helps.
Got you.
Okay, here we go.
Forgot those have been sitting out for a month.
Not bad. Oh, you got
Not
that down.
bad.
You got it down
quick.
fast.
almost I've been choked on it. Wasn't that bad?
Nope.
I'll try it. All right, for the record, I didn't lose. I didn't. I got a 14 and a half inch or so. I'm just doing this for fun at this point. All right.
Oh, yay, Martin's gonna do it too? Oh, nice.
Yeah, Martin's gonna do it too.
Nope.
We told him on the channel that if he does it, then they have to like, comment, and subscribe.
Nope.
Yep.
Nope.
Oh God.
Remember the toast?
Yeah. That's weird. Oh. How did you do it? Oh God.
I ate the whole thing.
Oh jeez, this one's extra juicy too. All right, I'm gonna do this.
You're eating it like a pro.
I didn't have to do this. I didn't have to.
You You can't back out now.
It's like falling apart, like the bird itself is falling apart. Oh, there's the head!
No!
Look at the head!
Look at it. Wait, what is that?
There's the head. You see it? There's the eyeball. There's the beak.
Oh yeah, that one's like, oh wow.
Is it clear? So,
Oh my god.
do you see it?
Yeah.
So this is
That
the
one-
head.
That's the most developed one out of all.
There's the head.
Oh my god.
You guys see the head?
Little baby bird. Baby duck.
That's the head of the duck. Swallow it. All right, ready?
Slurp it up! Slurp it up! Slurp it up!
Oh my god! That is too much texture. It almost tastes like liver.
I like duck, but I don't like it like that.
Oh, that was good. All right, last bit. Oh, jeez.
How was it?
That was hardcore. The most hardcore food. One of the most hardcore foods you guys can ever eat. You guys should take the challenge and just do it for fun. Just do it for fun. All right, we got one more.
Martin!
We have one more.
Nope.
Take it, Chewy. Yeah. We have one more. Martin, just do it.
No.
You're ready.
Thomas!
I'm not ready.
You were ready, Martin.
Nope.
Somebody grab the camera from Martin.
Nope.
Grab Martin.
Nope. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing
Mario,
it.
help!
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing
Mario,
it.
help!
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. No, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm scared. Nope. I'm not doing it.
So who else did it, man?
I don't want this right now. Okay. There you go.
Oh, the aftertaste.
Okay.
That aftertaste.
Coming to a theater near you. Oh yeah, that one's got it. There's a big one in there. Oh, look at that. That looks like a much bigger one than all of them.
Look at it. It tastes just like it looks, guys.